Hi, welcome back to the Cordless Vacuum Guide, and in this review, we'll be looking at the Brigii M1 Mini Cordless Vacuum. Mini cordless vacuums are a recent add to this industry, and one of its main selling points is their extremely lightweight and compact design, making it very portable. The Brigii M1 Mini Vacuum is light, weighing a little over a pound, and one of the lightest I've tested. However, the more important question is, does it have enough suction to clean decently? To answer that question and more, I've spent the past few days testing this product, putting it through my usual series of tests to find out, and let's get into it. Full disclosure, Brigii sent me this product for free to test, but as you'll see in all my reviews, I base my findings on test results to be as objective as possible. I'll start with the features, and this mini handheld vacuum is, well, a miniature handheld vacuum. Put it side by side with the Dyson V7 in handheld mode, and you'll see the difference. The design is basic with a single button right here that you'll need to push a few seconds to power up the motor. Its dustbin is in front of the motor, but don't expect much with capacity since compactness takes priority. Brigii says it has a capacity of 100 microliters, which is enough for spot cleaning tasks. Behind the dustbin is a HEPA filter covered by a stainless mesh. Unfortunately, it's not a sealed system as it leaked badly during the fog test. Out of the box, you'll get these tools with varying lengths and applications. The tool I find most helpful is this 2-in-1 brush and crevice tool, as it offers decent length, while the brush attachment helps with dusting tasks. Unfortunately, these tools are held only by friction. There isn't any locking mechanism, which isn't a surprise since this product is in the budget category. It does come with a bag for storing all the tools to prevent misplacing them. Don't expect too much with airflow, as this mini vacuum only has 18.52 CFM in its single power setting. One of the lowest scores of all cordless vacuums I've tested, but considering its compact size, that number isn't bad. Cleaning performance scores were impressive for a compact vacuum with low airflow and suction numbers. It's something I didn't do with the first Brigii vacuum I've tested, but it's a new test I've implemented and will do so with future handheld vacuum reviews. The eye test shows it has enough suction to pick up a variety of debris. I tested it on Quaker oats, coffee grounds, quinoa, and pet litter, and there were no issues with pickup. I did the same tests on carpet and the results were identical. These tests prove that this handheld has enough suction for messes like these, but it's only meant to clean loose surface debris, but that's about it. Don't expect it to clean hair efficiently, especially on fabric since it lacks a mini turbo brush. Brigii says this handheld will run for up to 25 minutes. The actual runtime is a little over 22 minutes. Not great, but still decent since you'll be using this mostly for small messes. The battery is built in, so there's no way of replacing it or extending runtime. So you can charge it using your laptop's USB port or connect it to your phone charger for a faster charge. This handheld is quite noisy, maxing out at 73.2 decibels based on the sound meter test. Though Brigii advertises this vacuum to have a blower function, don't expect too much since it uses the exhaust portion for it, so it won't have much force. To conclude this review, the Brigii Mini Handheld Vacuum is an excellent alternative if you need something lightweight with enough power to pick up small messes. It won't wow you with performance, but it has just enough for surface debris. It's small enough to bring along with you anywhere you go, even traveling for small cleaning tasks. There are filtration issues, but it's hard to expect more given its low cost. The tool set is limited, but for what it's designed for, which is light dusting, it does it well. Let me know what you think about the Brigii M1 Mini Cordless Vacuum in the comment section below. If this video has been helpful to you, please consider giving it a thumbs up. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified for future reviews like this. Links are in the description for more information. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.